You can wave it. Yeah, wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you all today a spring decor / Mother's Day gift idea. And before we get started, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you all. So let's get into what we'll be doing for today. Now these are the items that we'll be using, and everything will be listed down below in the description box. Just click on the show more, it opens up the description box and you can see what I use, where I got them from, so you can get some for yourself to do these DIYs that we're doing today. Alright everyone, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with these picture frames from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to take the back out and the glass and everything we're going to take out, and we're going to remove these tabs from the back of the frame. They just wiggle them a bit and they come out very easy. And now we're just going to use the back here with some glitter. We're going to use a large glitter, small glitter, and the Mod Podge. Okay, we're just going to take the glitter and place it onto the back of the picture frame little thing here. And I have 4 of these picture frames, and I'll be doing this for the 4 of them. And now for our picture frame itself, I have the little flower bling. I call them flower bling that you can get on Amazon. I have these, and I'm just going to glue them around the frame just to give it a little nicer touch. And now our glitter is dry. We're going to place them back into our picture frame. So we're putting the glass first, and then the backing, and then we're just going to close them with the tabs. Now doesn't that look nice with the glitter? And now we're going to add some gems from Totally Dazzled. My favorite gems. I'll be adding them to the center of our frame. And here we have all our picture frames, all 4 of them. So now we're just going to use some hot glue and join our frames together to make a square box. And I'm using the hot glue, but you can use any adhesive that you'd like. E6000, the Dollar Tree Fix-All glue, I think it's called. Any kind of glue that you'd like to hold the boxes together, you can. So we're just going to put some more glue to enforce on the inside. Here's our finished look. I think it looks super cute. I added some flowers inside, which you can add any color flowers of your choice. I did get these flowers from the Dollar Tree. But I think our little box looks super cute. All blinged out with our Totally Dazzled gems. Like I say, add the gems and they make anything you add them to stand out and look a little bit more beautiful. A lovely flower gift idea for mom. And now for our next DIY, I have this tall vase here that I got from IKEA. And we have our bling wrap, silver bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And we're just going to glue it going all the way around the bottom of our vase. And now I cut our bling wrap into strips, and I did do some long. Well, they're all long, but some are long, some are a little shorter. And then I have another one that's a little shorter than that. You'll see the pattern. And I'm just going to glue them going all the way around in this same pattern that you're going to see me doing. And what I did, going all the way around, I counted 2 squares. Sorry, 2 little lines, as you can see, in between. So the strips stay in a nice pattern going all the way around. See, I have it tall, taller, and tallest. And here we go. I'm also doing it in the rose gold and with a smaller vase with the same pattern with the strips. And here's a closer look. As you can see, I did space them counting 1, 2, then I glued the strip, just so they stay even going all the way around. And here is our finished look. Don't they look cute? OMG! I think they look absolutely lovely. I love how the bling going up with a different lens just make the vase look like really popped out. I think it looks elegant and nice. I love how they turned out. And you can leave the vases empty by themselves so they make a nice accent piece. Or you can add flowers. Doesn't this look lovely, you guys? Nice tall flowers, which I got from the Dollar Tree. Nice for spring decor. Or a lovely gift for your mother, your grandmother, your aunt, that special lady in your life for Mother's Day. And here is the rose gold one. I added some black flowers, which you could add any flowers of your choice, but I had some black flowers, so I just added them in, and I think it does look lovely. They do make lovely pieces to spruce up your home for the spring, or like I said, a lovely gift for the special lady within your life this year for Mother's Day. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of the DIYs that I did for today. Tell me which ones you liked, or if you liked all 3. I love all 3. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you guys for today, for Mother's Day. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone.